Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. On today's episode, I want to show you this delicious new recipe called chili lime pork with charred corn salad. It's got fresh corn, zucchini, tomatoes, and garlic. It's got our brand new chili lime rub. It's absolutely delicious. Let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that you will need in today's recipe. 4 boneless pork chops, 2 ears of corn, a zucchini, a red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a red bell pepper, a cup of cherry tomatoes, our chili lime rub, some fresh cilantro, and queso fresco. Now that everything is prepped, all I need to do is wash my hands and we can get cooking.
A few moments later.
We are ready to cook, and I have our brand new 12-inch cast iron skillet. I have it preheating with some oil. It's been heating for about 4 to 5 minutes to get nice and hot. And the first thing we need to do is sear the pork chops, and they will cook 4 minutes without touching. That's going to be hard for me. So I'm just going to put them on here, and we'll check back after 4 minutes. So you want to cook your pork until the internal temperature reaches 140 for medium doneness. So I've already checked our temperature and we're at 140. So I'm going to remove the pork and I'm going to place it on a platter. And it's time to start cooking the corn. So we're going to cook the corn for 4 minutes again, undisturbed, because we want to get it a nice char on it. So it's been 4 minutes. I was so tempted to stir it around. So now I can. Yay! Getting a nice char on the corn. And it's time to add the onions and the peppers. And guess what? We cook this, stirring occasionally, for 4 minutes. You notice the common theme in the time here. Let me stir this around. It looks pretty. Okay, now it's time to add the zucchini. Oops, I've got one stuck in there. And the 2 cloves of garlic. This time it only cooks for 2 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add the final ingredients, the tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of our rub, the cilantro, ooh, that rub smells so good. So pretty and colorful. Okay. The final ingredient, I'm just going to turn my burner off, and the final ingredient that I'm going to add is the queso fresco. Now, if you can't find queso fresco in your store, you can use any white crumbly cheese such as feta cheese. There we go. And now I'm going to add the pork back to the skillet. It looks so pretty. It looks just as good as it looked in the cookbook. This recipe can be found in our newest Season's Best Cookbook for 2020. There we have another quick and easy weeknight meal. I hope that you will make this for your family. I'm sure they will absolutely enjoy it. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and be sure to ring the bell. Happy cooking, everyone! These are all the products used in today's video. I have put the links in the description, so if you would like any of them in your kitchen. And remember, please subscribe so you will be up to date with all of my latest videos.